Okay, question 18 for Practice Provincial B. A video game programmer needs to simulate a shot on the gaming screen. The shot needs to have a slope of 6/5 to a target at a position of 100 and 250. If the shooter has a horizontal position of 65, what would the shooter's position be on the screen? Right. Very similar to the last problem. Notice that I've written down three things. One is M, X1, and Y1. The reason I did this was because this problem, although it looks kind of difficult at first, is actually quite simple if you just look at the information that's given to you. One, we're given the slope, and two, we're given a point of the target. So we can actually treat this as a line in slope point form. So x minus x1. So the equation of the line can be as follows. Y minus 250 equals my slope of 6/5 and x minus 100. So here's the equation of the line of the shooter, or the shot. Okay, so this is the line of shot. I guess I should say more precisely the equation of the line of the shot. Right. Now, it tells us the shooter has a horizontal position of 65. So this horizontal position corresponds to an x-coordinate. Okay, so we know the x-coordinate is at 65. So 65 is somewhere here. We know this is the x-coordinate of my shooter. So using the equation of the line, we can now write the following. Okay, we can say that y minus 250 is going to be 6/5 times, well, we know the x position of our shooter is 65, so this is 65 minus 100. Alright, I'm going to erase my arrow there. Okay, so 65 minus 100. Alright, so again, this 65 comes from the horizontal position of the shooter, which is really just an x-coordinate. So we can solve this equation for y. I'll bring the 250 over, so we'll get 6/5 times 65 minus 100 is negative 35 plus 250. Let's do this calculation. Since we can use a calculator, 6 divided by 5 times negative 35 plus 250, and this equation equals 2, or y equals 208. Okay. And that would be our answer. And let's check. 18 C 208. Right. So yeah, this problem, although it looks kind of difficult at first, it's actually not that difficult. It's just another line equation in disguise. All we had to do was identify the information given to us and see if we could write a line equation from it. We had the slope and the point, so we could write the line equation in slope point form, and then use that to figure out what the y coordinate